Hello, everybody. This is John Bays. I'm your host for this online tutorial. Today we're talking about the construction schedules and specifically going over the percentage complete column, the task 100% complete column as it relates to the task status, RGB balls, and also the column here representing the completion. So what we want to see during construction is a progress update. So if the task is a day long, I understand you're probably not going to update it from anything from 0 to 100%. But if it's framing, if it's drywall, if it's siding, we would like to see that task listed out as a percentage. So I'm going to actually go down here to the column related to framing, underfloor, material. We have our underfloor framing, then we have our underfloor inspection. At that point, I'm going to say the job is 15% complete. Okay, so we see over here that we have one little character that showed up. As we increase those tasks to 35%, we see that 2 characters showed up, 50%. Oops, on the line item below, we see the 3 characters show up, and let's see here as we go to 75%. We see that 4 characters showed up, and again 95%. So 95% we still have 4. There's only 5 total, right? So so the task 4. You know, that's just an indicator for other dashboards for people to see. Not really intended to be used as a function of this particular project, but it is an indicator for others. So we show that to others that shows up on dashboards. Then when it's 100% complete, we see that we have all 5 characters showing. Okay. You also probably saw that once 100% complete, the line gets crossed out. That's how we know it's done. What we want to know for accounting purposes is I need that box checked. That box check is critical. There's two main things. Is 1, accounting knows that it's approved to be paid. 2 is the trade knows that it's approved to be paid. And 3 is it turns off the automatic notification that exists as part of the assigned to column. So we want to make sure that we're turning off these automatic notifications, otherwise people are going to be getting all notifications all the time. These are automatically loaded into the schedule whenever you get them. So so that's what we have here. So one thing you may not have noticed also is that the ball here, RGB ball, they call these, went away. Once that task is clicked off, that ball's gone. It is now, so the project's 100% complete. Okay. So I'm going to show you how that works real quick. If we go up to the top here, we have some indicators. So we have our schedule that is scheduled to start on 6/9. Here it updates the rest of the schedule. You can see that these balls all still exist. Well, what's going on here? So the red shows up when that task is 3 days out. 3 days out. When you're within 3 days, yellow, and then green means it's further out than that. So it only starts to light up yellow and red when the task is close, and it's just a visual indicator. It'll help you identify what needs to be taken care of and what needs to be done. So if we have this scheduled for the 15th of June, we would see, because that was not supposed to change that. So the up here, 15th of June, again, we would see all those turn to green. Okay? So again, it's a visual indicator that shows up on dashboards, but also shows up for you when a task is close to complete, and what we do is we want to take that information, note it, if they're close, and once we get those complete, here they go away, so they disappear. So that is a description of the percentage and the complete notifications that we have built into the Smart Sheet schedule. We went over the percent complete, the individual task, the RGB color indicators, and then the task indicator over here. So there's the info. Thank you.